Hi, I'm Steven.
Give me a kiss. I'm Callie and we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
Come with us.
Hungry. Got some nice jerky chicken, fried chicken, bammy, no man, food can taste it. See the fast food bone. Everything at already. And this is the fried potato. Taste the fried potato.
Great.
And that is the fish. Real Jamaican stuff, you see me?
Yeah, cherry juice, natural. Get a taste,
That's cherry juice?
Yeah. We make it natural cherry.
So where you get the cherries from?
Yeah man, cherry juice.
To buy to go to out and buy it and those stuff.
You go into the bush and find the cherries and buy
Yeah,
it?
we go to town, Moby.
This is really good. Like it tastes like the real thing. Like
Yeah man, real.
so good. It's sweet. Nice.
Take this one down.
Okay, thank you.
That's my juice. This is a man juice.
Yeah, go on. Go on, drink.
Don't give me too much, you're going to have to try it.
So where's the pepper? I want some pepper and some ketchup. Set me up.
Yeah man, that's the real thing, you know?
And George is one supposed to be like a queen, honey.
George's
Look at my
Oasis and ackee and saltfish. Sample it before I dive in.
Okay, let's go.
How many pasta?
It's worth it. It's so good.
Beetroot with the saucy pearl and the linseed, the sour sap with the medine, natural.
Field spelling it right at George, you know? Shop 2, you know? The best in Jamaica.
Alright, here we go.
I'm here in Fern Gully, guys. This is an awesome place. You can check out the trees. We passed and we saw this guy clad in, I don't know, what do you call it?
Jack in the bush.
Jack in
Jack
the bush.
in the
And you're Jack. This must
Isn't
be
it just
Jack.
amazing? So here you have some tropical flowers. You have hibiscus. What do you call this one?
Bellflowers.
Bellflowers. Check this out. This is so amazing. Can I go inside?
Yeah, but it's heavy, you know, you only can
Yeah,
bend on
strong.
inside. I just don't want it to break up and also, you try your best.
You want to help me?
You want to just go inside
Okay,
and
guys,
bend
I'm
down.
gonna try this. Can you hold this for me? All right, let me just.
Don't have to lift if you don't want to, because
Okay, I think this is good enough. How am I?
bend them, open up the wings.
So I am Callie, the tree girl.
Open up the wings.
So you lift.
See my wings.
So tell me, my friend, you lift it with your head.
Yeah,
Really? So that's why you're so muscular.
yeah, you know.
And you see the view's fern. It's so appropriate because this is Fern Gully and the view's all fern.
So you go in the OT like this?
What's the significance of it?
What's the
Okay.
significance of it?
I just call myself Jack in the bush. People take the pictures and give me something. You know.
Okay.
Some reason for us to stop and ask you what's going on over
Yeah,
here.
you know.
Very, very cool.
So cool.
Interesting. Whoa.
Well, thanks and good to meet you. Yeah?
Jack, right?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Jack in the
Jack
bush.
in the bush.